Who is Catherine Ponder? A trailblazing unity minister, author, and prosperity teacher whose simple, faith-based principles have helped countless people turn financial lack into abundance, heal relationships, and manifest dreams by tapping into the universal laws of giving and
Manifest all your
receiving.
dreams and live the life you deserve.
Imagine if you could learn her exact formula for attracting wealth and success, not through hard labor or luck, but by shifting your mindset and words to align with divine supply. Principles so powerful, they've transformed lives for decades. What if applying her techniques could open floodgates of prosperity in your own world, making every desire feel within reach? Stay with me through this video because we're diving into her inspiring story and wisdom. And by the end, I'll walk you step by step through her method, showing you precisely how to apply it to achieve whatever you want in your life. This is her signature prosperity process from the dynamic laws of prosperity, a blend of affirmation, visualization, and action that's straightforward and results-oriented when practiced consistently. Let's get into it. First, embrace the foundational principle. God is your source of infinite supply, and prosperity flows when you align your consciousness with abundance rather than lack. Catherine taught that everything starts in the mind, so begin each day by declaring, I am open and receptive to God's prosperity. Good flows to me now in avalanches of abundance. This shifts your vibration from scarcity to expectancy, reminding you that you're worthy of all good. Cultivate this by reading prosperity scriptures or her books daily, avoiding negative talk about money, and surrounding yourself with affirming environments to maintain the momentum. Step 1. Clarify your prosperity desire with specificity and positivity. Catherine emphasized getting clear to direct the law effectively. Don't focus on debts or problems. Instead, define what abundance looks like for you. For financial goals, it might be, I am now earning X dollars monthly with ease and joy. To apply this, spend 5 to 10 minutes journaling. Write your desire in present tense, including how it feels and benefits others. Make it personal and exciting. Why this goal? This plants the seed in your conscious mind, as Catherine did when affirming her church's growth, ensuring your intentions are pure and aligned with divine good. Step 2. Use powerful affirmations to reprogram your prosperity consciousness. Affirmations are Catherine's powerhouse tool, positive statements that overwrite limiting beliefs and impress abundance on the subconscious. She provided templates like, God is my instant, constant, and adequate supply, or, for success, divine riches now flow to me in a steady stream. To apply this, craft 3 to 5 personalized affirmations based on your desire. Then repeat them aloud with conviction twice daily for 5 minutes each time, morning and night. Speak them in front of a mirror, feeling the truth and emotion as if they're already manifesting. Catherine advised doing this with faith, countering doubts by immediately reaffirming. Over time, this builds a new mental habit, attracting opportunities like unexpected income or ideas, just as it did for her readers. Step 3. Visualize your abundant life vividly. Visualization activates the law of mental equivalence, where seeing it mentally draws it physically. Catherine called it imaging the end result, engaging the imagination to make prosperity feel real. To apply this, after affirmations, close your eyes in a relaxed state for 5 to 7 minutes and picture your desire in detail. See yourself living prosperously, perhaps signing a check, enjoying a vacation funded by abundance, feeling secure and generous. Involve all senses, hear the sounds of success, touch the symbols of wealth, end with, this or something better is now mine through God's grace. Practice consistently, especially before sleep, when the subconscious is receptive. Catherine manifested her book's success this way, turning visions into reality. Step 4. Practice the law of giving through tithing and generosity. A cornerstone of Catherine's method is active demonstration. Giving opens the flow, as What you sow, you reap. She taught tithing 10% of income to God, church, charity, or self as temple as proof of faith. To apply this, commit to tithing regularly, starting small if needed. Give first, before expenses, with joy and expectation of return. Extend to non-financial giving, compliments, time, or help to others. Track it in a journal. Catherine's stories show this multiplies blessings, like one woman who tithed and received a surprise inheritance. Do this weekly, affirming, "My giving returns multiplied," to circulate energy and dissolve blocks. Step 6. Release resistance and cultivate gratitude. Holding on or worrying blocks supply, so surrender to divine timing while thanking in advance. Catherine emphasized gratitude as a magnet for more good. To apply this, after visualization, spend 2 to 3 minutes listing gratitudes related to your goal. I am thankful for the prosperity already mine. Then release. I let go and trust God's perfect plan. It is done. Throughout the day, when fear arises, pause and affirm release. Keep a gratitude journal nightly, noting even small abundances. This amplifies faith and speeds manifestation, as Catherine experienced in her own breakthroughs. Step 6. Persist with consistency and take inspired action. Catherine warned that sporadic effort yields spotty results, but daily practice creates lasting change. Integrate the full process morning and evening, reviewing progress weekly in your journal. Celebrate synchronicities like new contacts or ideas. Act on intuitions like networking or skill building from an abundance mindset. Start with one area, like finances, for 30 days, then expand. Surround yourself with prosperity-minded people or her audios for reinforcement. Persistence, per Catherine, turns laws into lived experience, leading to compounded results. That's Catherine Ponder's complete method, step by step, empowering you to activate prosperity laws and manifest the abundance you deserve. By clarifying, affirming, visualizing, giving, releasing with gratitude, and persisting, you'll align with divine supply for wealth, health, and joy. Implement it now and watch your life expand. If this empowered you, hit like, subscribe for more prosperity wisdom, and comment your top affirmation below. Thanks for watching. Remember, prosperity is your birthright. Now claim it boldly.